Hello and welcome back. My name is Amulya and you are watching TubeMint. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Shopify CLI using Node.js npm. Okay, so let's get started. You must have npm, which is Node, and you can see about npm, and you also should have Ruby. You also should have Git. These are all pre-requirements to go ahead and install Shopify CLI on your operating system. So you can see this is requirement for themes. We are definitely going to use theme. And then you also have to have Node.js and Git. Okay, so this is Shopify CLI's installation page, and we need to have these requirements pre-installed on the system. Depending on the operating system, you can go ahead and install Ruby following commands from here, or you can get a video on my channel, or simply do the Google search. I've got video for Ruby installation, Node, and Git. Now, we simply have to copy this command because we are going to use npm. You can also use yarn, pnp, and homebrew if you have Mac. So yarn and then npm. So simply launch your command prompt. I would go ahead and relaunch command prompt and just paste that npm install -g at shopify/cli @latest is completely optional. And here we have, it's trying to just install Shopify CLI. In the meanwhile, we will go ahead and check. It added 5 packages, you can see. Now if you say Shopify, you get all these commands, Shopify commands. Okay, so that's Shopify CLI. You can say Shopify help, Shopify version. You can check all these. So I can simply say Shopify version. You can use it to build app, hydrogen, and theme. You can configure auth to just log into your store, dev store. So this is how you can install Shopify CLI 3.6.5.3 on your operating system, that is basically Windows. And the process is going to be the same as long as you have installed Git, Node.js, and Ruby on any other operating system. So that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.